Know how to reduce wrinkles? I'm going to show you how to do it all by yourself. We are going to be using clinical and pharmaceutical grade essential oils, along with a carrier oil, which is also clinical and pharmaceutical grade. You don't want to go with therapeutic grade. Those are more for your diffusers, etc., aromatherapy. The first essential oil that we are going to use is caraway seed essential oil. We're going to add, we've got a small 5 milliliter bottle here. It's going to be a roller bottle. But the first thing we're going to do is add 1, 2, 3 drops of the caraway. We are going to use fennel essential oil. And we're going to use 3 drops of that also. Three drops. The caraway seed essential oil helps in rejuvenating skin cells, making your pores smaller. The fennel essential oil, it is good for tightening the skin. And then we're going to be using geranium oil. This is overall skin health. It's wonderful for your skin. It also tightens the skin. And we're going to be using 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops of the geranium essential oil. Next, we're going to use a clinical pharmaceutical grade of marula oil, and this is your carrier oil. We've got it filled up. We're going to put the roller ball in, and then the top. You can take this on the go. The link is in my bio for the clinical pharmaceutical grade essential oils and carrier oils. I love them. I have videos on how it's helped tighten my skin. I also sell the Monroe Effect, which is an overall skin wrinkle reducer. It's done wonderfully on my face. I have before and after pictures, friends. Go check it out. Heal naturally. 100% natural skincare.